Welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to go over some tips and tricks on how to place online orders. Before we go to the website, let's go over browser capabilities. For ordering purposes, use a desktop computer and one of these recommended browsers, Google Chrome or Firefox. Using Firefox, I'm going to bring up the home page of the website. To place an order, you must have a website login. If you do not, it's very simple to request one. Click on Sign In, Register. Then click Register an Account. You will receive an email from our Customer Client Services with your website login information. If you have a login, we recommend you simply sign in to your account on the home page. Note that your website login email may be different than your customer account email. If you have any questions about your sign-in username, please contact your sales rep. Once I'm logged in, I'm going to add a few products to my cart. As you can see, I have a couple of products in my cart and I'm ready to check out. Just a few things to note on this page. If a product has multiple artworks, you can click on Proof Details to expand the product to see the different quantities and proof approval options of that product. Any order placed online, you'll receive free artwork setup charges. Also, you save 2%, no promo code needed. To enter a promo code, type your promo code into the Apply a Promotion Code box and click Apply. Everything looks correct, so I'm going to click Continue to checkout. On this page, you will notice only the billing address auto-populates. You'll need to manually enter the shipping address. If you have multiple ship-to addresses, you can make special notes on the review order page coming up. I'm going to enter my shipping address and leave the billing address alone because everything looks correct. Under carrier information, the default shipping carrier will be FedEx, and the default ship method will be FedEx Ground. If you'd like to choose a different ship method, use the drop-down arrows. Then enter your shipping account number if you have one. I'm going to leave my order FedEx Ground. Your estimated ship date is listed below. The ship date is just an estimate based on the product with the longest lead time that is being ordered. We ship the order as a whole, no partials. On my current order, I have a 24-hour quick ship throw, along with a variety of other products. If I need that throw within 24 hours, I'll need to order it separate. Luckily, I don't, and everything looks good, so I'm going to click Continue. Purchase order will be your default payment method. If you are paying with a purchase order, please type in your purchase order number here. You can also pay by credit card. When placing your order with credit card, you'll need to come up with a unique PO number that you can upload your artwork under. Please do not use any special characters, just numbers such as your zip code and date. Under Contact Information, type the contact information of the main contact for the order. If you'd like to add more than one proof email, you can add a comment on the review order page coming up. After I have everything filled out, I'm going to click Continue. Review order is the last screen before placing your order. At any time, you can go back and make changes to your order or order information. Under Order Summary, please note that shipping charges and any promo codes that were entered are not reflected in the price. At the top of the page, there is an Order Comment field. In this box, you can make notes about additional ship addresses, proof emails, the artwork, or any additional comments you would like about the order. I'm going to make a comment to add an additional proof email to the order. Everything looks great, so I'm going to click Complete Order. After you click Complete Order, you'll be instructed to upload your artwork. You can either upload your artwork at this time, which is recommended, or send a third-party link. Looks like I've just received my order confirmation email. The number listed is the online confirmation number. If at any time you have a question or concern, please reach out to our customer care team or your sales rep. It is just that easy to place orders online. I'll see you next time for another Quick Tip Tuesday.